Eat this breakfast and see what happens to your blood sugar the rest of the day. Good morning, breakfast enthusiasts. Let's talk about the most important meal of the day and how it doesn't need to be a sugar-coated catastrophe. That's right, I'm looking at you. Donuts and sweet cereals? Oh, behold the champions of the breakfast world. Now it may not have the same sugar rush allure as a frosted donut, but hear me out. Starting your day with a balanced meal is like gifting your body a well-oiled machine. It helps with controlling the blood sugar levels by throwing a knockout punch against the dawn phenomenon, that annoying early morning hike in blood sugar. How, you ask? Well, when you eat a balanced breakfast, when I say balanced, high in protein and fat and very low in carbs, your body says, thank you, I will use this fuel wisely. It releases insulin in a controlled manner, keeping your blood sugar levels steady throughout the day. And no, before you ask, your body doesn't say it out loud. It prefers to whisper. Let's kick off with our numero uno, avocados. By the way, for our Spanish audience, we have a new channel that actually dubs my videos into Spanish. So if you prefer that, it's available. Let's talk about avocados. Yep, these green goddesses of creaminess aren't just your Instagram-worthy toasts. They are loaded with healthy fats that help to maintain your blood sugar levels. So let's face it, who doesn't love a bit of guacamole in the morning? Second on the list is chia seeds. Tiny but mighty. Soak them overnight for a pudding that would make even your dessert-loving grandma proud. They are high in fiber, keeping your blood sugar steady and your belly full. Next up, cinnamon. Surprise! It's not just for making your kitchen smell like a festive wonderland, but a dash on your morning oats help actually regulate your glucose levels. I know a lot of you are taking super berberine, which has a very concentrated high amount of Ceylon cinnamon, but it's not going to hurt to sprinkle some of on your food as well. So who knew that a sprinkle of this spice could be so nice and tasty, right? And helpful. Now let's go on to number 4, the Greek yogurt. Now, who needs the sugary, fruit-filled yogurts? When I'm talking about yogurt, you've got this protein-packed powerhouse. That's what I'm talking about. It slows the digestion and prevents the blood sugar spikes. Plus, it's got a tang that will wake you up faster than your morning alarm. Finally, number 5, almonds. These snackable heroes are not just for squirrels, folks. A handful of these in the morning have been linked to lower blood sugar levels and reduced heart risks. And they are easy to eat on the go, even if you are not a squirrel. So, brace yourself, lovely folks, because we are about to create the No-Sugar Spartacus, a breakfast ball so good it might just change your life. Firstly, let's do this together. Grab a bowl. Size doesn't matter here, but smaller the better. It can be as big as your love for breakfast if you are really hungry. Fill it halfway with Greek yogurt, the unsweetened kind without fruits. We are keeping the sugar demons at bay, remember. Now scatter a handful of almonds over the top. Don't be stingy. These crunchy champions are packed with goodness. Next, slice up some of that avocado. Now, half should suffice unless you are really feeling avocado love today. Now, lay the slices artistically over the almonds. Remember, we eat with our eyes first, so make it look pretty. Or as pretty as pre-coffee you can manage. Now, let's bring in the chia seeds. You have soaked them overnight, right? Great. Spoon out a generous dollop on top of your avo almond landscape. It's like snow, but edible and way healthier. And for the finale, let's dust our masterpiece with cinnamon. Not only will it make your breakfast smell like Christmas morning, but it will also keep those glucose levels in check. There you have it, folks. The No-Sugar Spartacus is ready to be devoured. Dig in and let's conquer the day together. Remember, folks, breakfast doesn't need to taste like dessert to be delicious. Tune in next time and we will tackle lunch, a meal of no return. Until then, keep it wholesome, keep it tasty, and above all, keep it fun. Talk to you later. Hey guys, I hope you're enjoying this channel so far, and I hope you subscribed already. If you didn't, do it. And if you did, watch this video right there. I think that will help you too.